What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a banana bread that is so moist and so delicious. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to start, I'm going to cream up some butter and sugar together, and I have here half cup of white sugar and 1 stick of butter, and I'm just going to let that whip together for a few minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a half more cup of brown sugar and continue the creaming process. This banana bread recipe is very easy and simple. You can substitute the nuts with chocolate chips. I'm going to use roasted walnuts. And if you have nut allergy, you don't have to worry. It's a great recipe to enjoy plain. So now I'm just whisking the brown sugar and let it come together, and then I'm going to mash 4 regular sized bananas and add them to the creamed butter and sugar. So here I'm adding the mashed bananas in the mixer, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 3 eggs and just mix that together until the eggs are fully incorporated. So to the flour, I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder, some baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, a little bit of cinnamon, and I'm going to add also some vanilla to the banana mixture. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix the dry ingredients together, and I'm going to add that to the wet ingredients. So now I'm just going to add the roasted walnuts, and I'm just going to mix that just until it's combined. So to my greased baking pan, I'm just dusting it with some flour so that when the banana bread is done baking, it will not stick to the pan. You could use also some parchment paper and leave a few inches of the paper outside the pan, so you can use the flaps to pull the bread out of the pan. So I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake my banana bread for an hour. When the hour is up, you can stick a toothpick in the center of the banana bread, and if it comes up clean, even with a few crumbs, it's done. So here you have it, guys, my banana bread with walnuts. And if you don't like walnuts or pecan, remember, you can enjoy this banana bread recipe plain. Please try this simple and delicious recipe And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye.